You only have about 2.5 years left to catch this train before the train leaves us. Did I earn over 25,000 Vpads in just 2.5 months? And how you can replicate what I have done? Stick around in this video because we will also go about how you can restake your Vpads on the Vlaunch platform to get bigger rewards and also to make sure you will earn more allocations from free NFTs or free IDO allocations because of this simple strategy. Let's look into it right now. If you're new to the Vlaunch platform and you have no idea yet about what this platform offers, I will put a video here on the left corner. Also, the link you will find it below this video in description. Watch this video to have a better understanding about what Vlaunch offers, why Vlaunch is different than other launchpads, and why I believe that in the next Bitcoin bull market, this launchpad could be one of the biggest players in this industry. So the first thing is I have staked Vpads on the Vlaunch platform. Why did I have done that? Simply, if you look to the staking here, right now you have still up till today a 194.29 IPI, yearly return on investment, when you choose to stake your Vpads for 5 years. And next to that, you will have a 650% bonus staking power. So what do that all mean? First of all, your IPI is based on the amount of Vpads you are staking. If you're staking 1,000 Vpads, you will actually earn yearly, let's look here. If we scroll down, let's bring the calculator here. And if you stake about 1,000 Vpads, then you will get 1,942 Vpads back within 1 year. So you doubled almost your complete investment. And that is not a bad thing, because after that 5 years, your initial capital will also be returned. But for now, the only thing you can cash out are the earnings. But this 65,785 Vpads were 2.5 months, only 33,000 Vpads. But because I have staked in January of 2022, I already had earned my initial capital back in just 4 months. And this time, what did I have done? I have chosen to restake the full amount. And as you can see, here you can clearly see that I have restaked this whole amount for 5 years or 1,825 days. And right now there is still left 1,742 days, what makes my staking count already 83 days. So less than 3 months. And in less than 3 months, I have re-earned 25,976 Vpads. And the best thing of all is these are directly claimable. Next to that, because you don't only earn because you are claiming, you are getting new Vpads, you also get more allocations for as well free IDO allocations as free NFT allocations. And as you can see, I have gotten many free projects since I was staking. And these coins and NFTs, today also one Honeyshot NFT, I have earned that completely for free by just staking. So if that is not smart, I don't know what is. So for the minute, how can you replicate that? The easiest way is by always restaking your earned Vpad. And I will show you right now in this video how I am restaking my Vpad on the right way. So to minimize the cost of staking, but also to earn directly more Vpads in just a few minutes. And we will start directly in this single video. We will calculate how much my new staking earning reward will be, and so you can do the exact same with your number. So the first thing you will need to do is, if you have already earned Vpads, you can claim it. Then the only thing you need to do is, you have here the option of restake. You can claim or cancel the stake. If you cancel the stake, that would be not a smart move, as you will lose about 75% of your initial staked amount. But next to that, you will not be able to earn free IDO allocations or free NFT allocations. And for the minute, I expect that in 2024 and 2025, Vlaunch, the token, will be more valuable than the price of today. So the smartest move, no financial advice, but that is what I am doing, is I will restake my Vpads simply by clicking here on restake. And when you click here on restake, your MetaMask wallet will open immediately. You will first need to sign in. One single click, you're signed in. And right now, we will see how much it costs to restake my Vpads. For a single moment, this was actually way less than $7. But let's reject it and let's do it completely again, just to see, or I can catch it while on the lowest end. So, no, it's about the same number, but okay, it cost me about $7.86 to restake my whole 25,976 Vpads. So what do we do? Just a single click on confirm, one single click. And now a small moment of patience. And voila, you have successfully restaked 25,976 Vpads. Here you just click on close, and voila, right now you can see that I have 4 staking portals open. The 2 first, I have done that in the start. As you can see, their dates are the days that is left are almost equal, 1,605 days and 1,606 days in one day between them. Then you can see here that I have restaked this full amount to 32,785 Vpads. And then here you can see the new Vpad claim that is still with 1,825 days left. And right now, how much is my staking bonus? As you can see, right now, my Vpad staked is 91,763,094 Vpads. And how much is my bonus Vpad power? I have for the minute already 622,444.23 staking power. And so let's look how much I will re-earn based on that number. So let's copy that number, go here to the Vlaunch platform, scrolling down and go to the calculator. And let's calculate how much I would, the estimation is that I would earn. And right now, my estimation, let's put that zeros, that can stay, but this one needs to be cleared. Yeah. So right now, it's estimated that within 1 year of today, I would earn, if the staking IPI stays the same, I would earn about 178,288.16 Vpads back. And don't forget, in 5 years, I will also be able to get back to the same Vpads. So, as you can see, the steps are quite straightforward. And that makes it especially fun, that you can just restake directly on the platform without first cashing your tokens out, paying commission for that, and then going to restake it completely again and paying again commissions on that. Instead of that, you can just do it in one single click. Let me know in the comments what you think from that restake button. Do you think this is more beneficial? And also, if you have any type of questions, if you are struggling, if you have whatever questions you are willing to ask that is still not answered, please leave that here in the comments below. I always try to take the time to answer every single question in the best possible way I can. Of course, I am just an anticipant, exactly like you. I love this project very much just because of my expertise in fundamental analysis and because I understand the fundamentals where the project wants to be in now and a couple of years from today. And that is the same with Bitcoin. I am very early in Bitcoin, way earlier than most people. Of course, that doesn't mean that you will be more successful than other people. Everyone has their struggles in life. Everyone has their starting capital, depending how big you are. Of course, if you started yesterday with 10 million euros, or you started a couple of years ago with a few euros, that will also make a difference where you are standing right now. And with Vpad, you don't need to have the biggest amount of money yet. The only thing you need to have is some Vpads that you have staked for 5 years and always on consistent basis restaking that amount before all Vpads are entered to market. And that will happen around November of 2024. So you only have about 2.5 years left to catch this train before the train leaves us. Thank you very much to watch my video, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.